Welcome back to the mix, and today we have hidden the mix is Dwayne once again as he tops the charts daily. Dwayne come out with his revival music. Yes, is revival music today, and is head wrapped with his pencil in the side of his head, and he is busting Psalms on them. So he's taking a turn for the better, and his followers are grateful for that. He has different persons on his platform read different sections of the Bible. He read Psalm, and he is burning out every evildoer, every spirit, and every vagabond, Jezebel spirit, all spirits. He's just making it clear that, from this day, may I go through, may I cut and clear all bad mind, cut and clear all envy, cut and clear my friends that used to be my friends and now they're my ex-friends. And so Dwayne is just doing his stuff. So remember to watch the video.
Starts in the darkness, nor the plague that destroys the midday. 1,000 may fall at your side and 10,000 at your right hand, but it will not come near you. You will only observe with your eyes and see the punishment of the wicked. If you say, the Lord is my refuge, and you make the Most High your dwelling, no harm will overtake you, no disaster will come near your tent. For he will command his angel concerning you to guard you in all your ways. They will lift you up in their hands, so that you will not strike your foot against a stone. You will tread on the lion and the cobra. You will trample the great lion and the serpent, because he loves you. Say the Lord, I will rescue him. I will protect him. For he acknowledge my name. He will call on me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. With long life, I will satisfy him, and show him my salvation. Finish. End. Amen.
No, thank you. I'm giving you the opportunity to close the show. What kind of message you have to send out to the people who every day they come from the media with them confused self? Every day is saying nonsense. The narrative never changes. What message do you have for these people, 13?
Do you want me to give you my fear message on here?
Absolutely, please do.
I'm going to go on my live and talk about this. I'm going to tell you, people, I have said this before. We, because I'm putting myself in, I tell you since last week, there's no cleaner in this mess. But today was a day of disgrace. There was 4 lives on today. 4 lives on with people tearing down each other. People, because I don't want to say bloggers no more, because people tearing down each other. And I want to say that. And that's when people always said, let me tell you something. Whatsoever, we can have our difference, or the day we break up. Why? I'm asking myself, why people sit down with people send them voice notes? What are we gaining from this? Is this for views? Is this for like? Is this thing?
That's it for today, Blenders. Big up on a nice clean self, and thank you for watching and subscribing. Always comment, remember to comment, because I need to know your views. Also, If there is anything that you would like for me to talk about, or if you'd like us to have a one-on-one in live, then you could let me know. Just comment it in the comment section and I'll read your comments. Yeah.